So now that we charge our unit, I want to show you how this will read. If you turn on this light, it will tell you that it's using the LED, and it tells you that its energy is going out. You see, out. So you can know what's happening. That's hibernating. Now we are going to charge an iPhone. So we are going to use DC power outlets. So now you have DC, it's using a USB, and its energy going out. Okay, now I'm going to test the AC outlet. I am going to charge my drill battery. Let's see what happens. I'm going to tell it that I'm going to use the AC power. That's it. I open it and I plug in this. Great. So it's charging my battery, my drill battery, and it's telling me that it's using 60 Hertz, 110 volts AC output, and it's going out. You could even charge more than one thing, so you can be charging the battery and the phone, and it will tell you that it's simultaneously using the AC and the DC systems, the USB-C and the AC here, and it's going out. Okay, so you could keep charging things. If you want the light, if you need the light also, it will tell you that it's using the LED, the LED light. So here you know what's happening, what ports are working, and what's going on with the battery. Okay, very good, very nice size, good power output, and a lot of ports to charge everything that you need to charge in our modern life. Thank you.